Hello everyone, this is Good Investor. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope your weekend went well. Just wanted to drop this brand new video about SOS stock, and guys, a couple of really big things happening in the market. I will share my opinion on them as well. So make sure you stay and watch the video till the end. There's a couple of really big points mentioned throughout the video. So before I do that though, and you can see how excited I am, I want to go to the channel and show you something here. So guys, you can see what happened. I mean, it's more than 100 of us, 106 to be precise. I mean, I am really speechless, and I am very thankful to where we're taking this channel. It is becoming really big. And on Friday, if you all know, it was 50 of us, and just within a couple of days, we literally doubled in size. And I am very happy. I'm very excited where we're going. And I am very thankful to all the subscriptions, all the likes that you're dropping on all the videos on this channel. So I am reading all the comments as well, so thank you very much for them. Thank you very much for all the love. I definitely did show the engagement of my side as well, so thank you very much for noticing this channel. Thank you very much for everything. I was thinking that once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I might do a giveaway to all of you as a way of appreciation and showing the love back to all of you. You do not have to do literally anything. I'm not selling any courses to you. All of this is for free, so do not feel sad about anything. So definitely this would be a free giveaway, and it's just a way of me saying thank you to all of you. So that would be coming, and there's a lot of work to be done until we're 1,000, but stay tuned. So without further ado, I want to go to the SOS as I promised to all of you, and I would like to begin it with the news that the company shared it today, and this is coming from the company's official website, and this is saying that SOS Limited enters into a non-binding letter of intent to acquire the majority equity interests of 3 US-based power plants aiming to expand its crypto mining operations in North America. So first of all, what does this mean? So first of all, what does majority equity mean? Majority equity means when a company buys more than 50% stake on another company, means they now have enough shares to control those companies that they are acquiring. So that is a big news. So another thing is that they are acquiring a power plant aiming to expand its crypto mining operations. So why would they acquire a power plant, you would ask? And the short answer to that is that any crypto mining company need two things. One is they need to look at the rate that they are mining cryptocurrencies. We can talk about them later. You probably heard about hash rates. And another thing that we will be talking about on this video is the energy source, meaning the mining operations require tons of energy, and the companies need to find that extra energy from somewhere. And this is an action that majority of the crypto mining companies do take, and SOS is one of them as well. So they are going in and showing interest to acquire 3 US-based power plants. So those 3 power plants are Sherman Development, Niagara Development, and Park Falls Management. These names will not tell you anything, and that is not really important. If you know it, it's good, but it's not really important. More important is that it will give the company extra energy source. More important is that the company is able to expand. More important is that the company can literally mine more, and they can have bigger operations. And even most important is that they are continuing to expand their operations in North America. So why is that important? It's because a lot of skepticism came from the fact that SOS is Chinese based. There's a lot of regulations in China. SOS is mainly focusing in Chinese country, in Chinese market. So that was a lot of skepticism that was flowing on the company. So now this can be solved. And the company not only talked about it previously, so we can see here that the chairman commented that we have been looking for investment opportunities in the United States. So that means that they have been looking at growing in the United States. And this is not only talking about it, but also showing some actions. So they are very serious, and this is actually showing. So this is very big. So what does this mean on the institutional investors? So first of all, institutional investors are any financial institution. It could be banks, it could be hedge funds, it could be insurance companies, it could be banks. So any of those companies that are they are investors and they are in financial institutions, whereas me and you, majority of you, could be individual investors. So institutional investors have a lot of impact on the stock price. So this could be a very game changer on the company. This could positively impact the company as well. And those institutional investors who are the majority of the shorters, and we'll talk about shorters as well, the majority of the shorters, and they could actually change their mind as well. So this could impact the company's growth as well as the stock price. So it's very big. If you are holding an SOS, or if you're interested on the SOS stock, this could be something big, and make sure you do not miss it. However, one thing I want to make sure you are all clear about, and I am very transparent with all of you as I'm all the time, is this point: non-binding letter of intent. Well, letter of intent, as we all know, that the companies will say it's a letter that literally shows that they are showing interest on something. But non-binding is something that some of the people misunderstand, and I don't want you to get fooled as well, is the fact that non-binding means having no legal or binding force. So what does that mean for you? That means that when a company announces something, this one phrase, these two little words, will mean that the company is not obligated to follow what they're saying, which means nobody can sue them in case they don't do it. And they can literally easily back out on whatever they want to do. So when they are saying that they are planning to acquire, but with a non-binding letter of intent, that means that they don't have to stick with it and they can back out whenever they want. So this is alarming to some people, which is not for me. I think this is a normal process. They always want to, be safe and make sure that they are not giving too bold statements. So I just want to make sure you're also transparent with it. You know what is going on. And I don't think this could be alarming. This is not alarming to me for sure. This is a normal process, and I don't want you to get fooled as well. So this is one of the things that I wanted to mention. This is very big. Let's see what happened to the stock price today. And we can see that the market actually went down. It went down by about 6-7%, more than 7%, right? 7% down, and this could be because of the market, but I don't think so. I think it's not because of those news. I think it's more because of the major market going down. I mean, a lot of small cap companies went down today, and it could be part of that. And I don't think it's reflecting the company news yet. So because of that, I don't want you to panic sell or to actually worry about it. I'm still holding those 27 contracts that I was holding, and I am very unlikely selling. The value is still big. I could sell it and back out and get about $1,000 out of my money, but I do believe in it, and I am definitely holding, and the maturity is actually until August. So I think we're good. I think we should still focus on the upcoming big news on the Coinbase IPO, which is expected to be around Wednesday. So definitely that could be a big game changer. And as you can see, I do have about $6,000 right now on a buying power that I'm willing to invest in the future as well. So stay tuned. I might drop another video either here or on my Patreon, whichever is easier for you guys. But definitely I am planning to invest it in the near future. So definitely stay tuned. So that is something that I wanted to mention. Another thing is, let's look at the, SOS Limited short interest. So one of the things that we usually do on this on these videos is to look at the short volume ratio. And this is actually not updated yet. This is as of, April 9th, 2021. So this was 25% on Friday. And I don't want to give you any different information. So as of now, it's haven't been changed. Let me know, guys, if you have a more updated information. But as of now, as I see it, it's just 25%. But it was on Friday as well. So I don't want to mislead you that the short volume increase or decrease anyhow by the news. I think that is it for the for this type of videos. I think I talked enough. It's been about 10 minutes. Let me know what you guys think. I want to keep these videos short. I might drop another video as well on another topic, but as of this, I think I'm good. I am definitely going to drop another one tomorrow about some of the updates, but as of now, we're good. Thank you very much for coming till this end. If you are, I will talk to you later. Thank you.